Hello kids, welcome to my channel Maths Fun Learning. I am your math teacher Rashi. In this video, we are going to learn about the cube roots. Cube root, yes. So cube root, to find out the cube roots, so we will do a magic, and that is math magic. So ready for that magic? And let's learn that math magic to find out a cube root. Okay, for uh, solving this cube root, you need a magic wand. Yes, I make one magic wand with the help of a paper. Look, you can also make this magic wand. Let's take a strip of a paper, and here you have to write down the numbers from 1 to 10 as I write it here. Okay, if you look at this, I fold this paper into a 3 parts, and when I open this paper, you can see I write the cubes of 1 to 10 here. The cube of 1 is 1, the cube of 2 is 8, the cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 is 125, cube of 6 is 216, cube of 7 is 343, cube of 8 is 512, and cube of 9 is 729, and cube of 10 is 1000. Okay, I underline the unit place or the ones digit of these numbers of the cubes of my numbers. And look here, when I fold the paper, I write all the numbers, all the ones digit here on the next sheet. The ones digit of the cubes, yeah. But in here you can see some magic. There are the ones digit of the cubes of your number. You can see it's the same one has the same ones place. 4 also has a 4 on the ones place. When you write a cube of this number, when you write a cube of 5, you can see 5 is on the ones place. When you write a cube of 6, you can see a 6 on the ones place. When you write a cube of 9, you can see 9 on the ones place. And when you write a cube of any digit which has a 0 on the ones place, you can see it has a 0 on the ones place. But some of the digits, they don't have a same digit on the ones place. Like if your number has 2 on the ones place and you write the cube of 2, you can see on the cube of 2 on the ones place, you can see 8 is the ones place digit. Same on the 8 number, if you write the cube of 8, you can see the cube of that number ones place has a 2. Same as with the 7 and 3. 3, it has a 7 on the ones place, and 7, it has a 3 on the ones place. So this is a magic wand. Okay, we are going to find out the cube root of 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, and 6-digit number. Why till only 6-digit number? Okay, I'm going to write here a smallest 7-digit number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. If you can see here, this is the smallest 7-digit number, and the cube root of this number is 100. And this is the smallest 3-digit number, and this is the smallest 7-digit number. That means if we find out the cube root of 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, and 6-digit number, every number till here you will get a 1-digit or 2 digits, ones and tens, 2 digits cube. Okay, that's why we took a till 6-digit numbers. Okay, so let's start with the 2-digit number. Yes, so here is my two-digit number. This is the, we are going to find out a cube root. This is the radical sign and this is the 3. So it indicates we have to find out the cube root of this two-digit number. Okay kids, before going to do, I just want to explain you that we have to make a group of a three digits. Okay, so here you can see only two digits are there, ones and tens place, right? So what we will do, we just check the number on the ones place. It is ones place, we just circle that, it's a 4. Now you can see on the magic wand, 4 has a 4 same number. This is a cube root ones place. Here you can see, if you find out the cube root, you can see it has a 4. So let's take this as the 4, and now you can see there is no digit after left after this ones, tens or hundreds place is a 0 now. So that means this digit, the cube root of this digit is 4. Okay, so yeah, so this is the cube root of 64 is 4. Fine, I hope you understand this. Yes, so let me take the another two-digit number, and that is 27. Circle the ones place, ones digit. Here it has a 7. You can see if the cube of the number is a 7, and you can find the root is should be 3. And there is only tens, there is no 100. That means this, the cube root of this digit is 3. If you multiply, you can see, if you multiply 3 times 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and you will get this. Or 4 times 4 times 4, you will get 64. Now let's take an example of 3-digit number. 3 4 3. You have to find out the cube root of 3-digit number. You can see this is ones place, circle that, tens and 100. So it is a group of 3. Okay, on the ones place you have to see the 3, it is there. So 3, that means it has a 7. So 7, ones, tens and 100. So there is no number after this digit. That means 7 is the cube root. 7 is the cube root of 343. Look, let me check. Yes, the cube of 7 is a 343. That means this is correct. Let's take another example of 3-digit number. 749. Circle the ones place, that is a 9. Well done. Ones place is a 9, tens and 100. So it's a 3-digit. So I told you to make a group of 3. Yes, it is a 3-digit number. And take your magic wand, check the 9 has a 9 on the ones place. Okay, so there is no number after the 100 place. That means this is the cube root of 749 number. Let me check it is correct. 9. See, I write the cubes of 9. It is here. That means the number cube root of 749 is 9. Good. These are the example of 2-digit or 3-digit. Now let's find the 4-digit number, the cube root of a 4-digit. Okay, so here this is the number, and you have to find out the cube root of 2197. Circle the ones place, you can see 7, and when 7 is there, that means you have to write on the ones place 3 should be there. Okay, as I told you, have to make a group of 3. So you already make that group. You can see there is a number which is left after the ones, tens and 100, and that is 2. Okay, there is a 2. What happened with that 2? Kids, you have to see that 2 is that number which is left after the 3-digit number, and now you have to find out the cube roots of your digits which is less than 2 and the greater than 2. Look, 1 is the less than 2 and 8 is the greater than 2, right? If you can see, the cube of 1 is a 1 cube and the cube of 8 is a 2 cube, right? Which is a smaller number which gives you the cube which gives you a cube which is lesser than 2, that is 1. Here you have to understand the smaller number, you have to place it on the tens digit, tens place. This is the ones, this is the tens. So you can see the cube root of 2197 is 13. Okay, let's take another example which will clear you more. Cube root 2 of 1331. Okay, you have to find out the cube root of this. So circle the ones place, and that is 1. Okay, the 1 has a 1 on the ones place, right? Ones, tens and 100. You have to make a group of 3, and let's check which is the number left after the 3 digit, and that is the 1. Here I will write 1. Now you have to see which is the cubes which is the smaller than 1. I think there is a 0, nothing is there. And which is the greater than 1, that is 8, right? So this is the 0 cube. If you write an answer, this is the cube of 0 cube and 8 is a cube of 2 here, and 1 is the cube of cube, so which gives you a 1. You have to check this. Here in this case we are not taking the smaller number because 1 is the cube of 1 itself, so we just write 1 on the tens place. So that is the number, the cube root of 1331 is 11. Okay, let's find out the cube root of next number. Now we'll take a 4-digit number. It is a 4-digit. Now we'll take a 5-digit number. So 4, 6, 6, 5, 6. We have to find out the cube root. Okay. Let me. So you can see. Let's take a groups of 3, and these 2 numbers are left now. Circle the ones place. You can see that is a 6. Find out the 6. 6 has a 6 on the ones place. Let's write on the ones place just 6. Which number is left? You can see it is left with 46. Now take out a magic pen. Check the number which is less than 46. Oh yeah, it is 27. And greater than 46, that is a 64. You can see the 27 is the cube of 3 and 64 is the cube of 4. In this case, we have to take a smaller number which gives you a cube of 27, that is 3. So this is the cube root 46,656. The cube root of this number is 36. It is clear, I hope. Let's take another example of 5-digit number. 9, 1, 1, 2, 5. Okay, as I told you, you have to make a group of 3. Oh, you can see that 2 numbers are left. Circle the ones place. It is a 5. 5 has the same 5 on the ones place, right? And 5. ones, tens and 100. Now leave that number. You can see there are two digits are left, that is a 91. Find out the smaller number which is come in your table. Magic wand. Smaller than 91 is 64 and bigger than 91 is 125. This 64 is the cube of 4 and 125 is the cube of 5, which is, now take a smaller digit, that is a 4. You can put that 4 on the tens place. So this 45 is the cube root of 91,125. So let's take an example of 6-digit number. I hope it is clear to you all. The number is 157,464. You have to find out the cube root of this number. Let me take a group of 3. Oh, great. Here also there are two groups of 3. Circle the ones place, that is the 4. You can see 4 has a 4 on the ones place. And ones, tens and 100. After that you can see there is 157 is left. You have to find from your magic wand smaller than 157, and that is 125, which is the cube of 5, and the bigger than 157 is 216, which is a cube of 6. Now from these two you have to take the smaller number 5. So from this 6-digit number, the cube root of this number is 54. Yes, do you understand? Let's take another example of 6-digit number, and that is 226981. Let me take a group of 3 ones, tens and 100. This is a group of 3. Then you can see 1000, 10,000 and lakh, and it is a group. So you can see there are the two groups. Take this one, circle that on the ones place. You can see 1. If you can see the 1 on the ones place, same number on the ones digit. Now ones, tens and 100. After that you can see there are 3 digits are left, 226. Find out the smaller than this. You can see it is 216 is the smaller, which is a cube of 6, and 343 is a bigger, which is a cube of 7. And you have to take a smaller number from this, that is a 6. You can find that 61 is the cube root of 226,981 digit. Thank you kids. If you love my video and enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe it and share with your friend, and don't forget to put a bell icon. Bye.